Hey there, it's Des with T-Mobile, and today we're going to check out the new Moto G Stylus 5G. It comes packed with a big display, 50 megapixel camera, a handy stylus, and a long-lasting battery, all at a great price. Best of all, it rocks T-Mobile's nationwide 5G network. Let's check it out. You'll love watching videos on its crisp 6.8-inch Full HD Plus 120Hz Max Vision display. Capture great shots with the Moto G Stylus 5G's 50 megapixel camera system featuring a 50 megapixel main camera, 8 megapixel ultra wide angle camera, and a 2 megapixel macro camera. And up front, you've got a 16 megapixel camera for selfies. Don't worry about running out of power halfway through the day. The Moto G Stylus 5G has a long-lasting 5,000 milliamp hour battery. The Moto G Stylus 5G comes with 6 gigs of RAM and 128 gigs of built-in storage. Plus, it has an expandable microSD card slot that lets you add up to a terabyte more. The included stylus is a handy tool at your disposal. With the Moto G Stylus 5G, you can edit photos, take notes on the go, and even animate your messages. Check it out! Now inside the box, you've got the new Moto G Stylus 5G, quick start guide, SIM pin, wall charger, and the USB-C charging cable. The new Moto G Stylus 5G, a feature-packed 5G phone with a big display, 50 megapixel camera, handy stylus, and a long-lasting battery, rockin' T-Mobile's nationwide 5G network. You can check it out now at your favorite T-Mobile store and online at tmobile.com. Thanks so much for watching. Be sure to subscribe to the channel and click the bell icon for notifications. Now stay tuned for another great video coming up next.